Hey guys, we're here at SEMA 2024. My name is Rowie Landicho, and this is my 2006 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9 wagon. Let's go on a tour, and let me show you the car. Let's start with the engine bay. Here we have a stock 4G63 with a lot of, as you noticed, titanium parts from JDC Titanium. We have a comp turbo, hypertune valve cover, exhaust manifold, intake manifold, powered by anti-gravity battery. I'm a collector of rare parts. We have a mine strut bar on top right there. A lot of discontinued ARC parts. Built by Genesis 1 Auto Concepts. We're running a CSF radiator. We're also running a CSF oil cooler. Spec clutch, stock transmission, and torque solution engine mounts.
Nice. I see you're running Fortune Auto suspension too?
Yep.
Nice.
We're running the Fortune Auto 520 series with the piggyback on it. It's actually the first prototype when they released it back in 2022. The most special part of the car is the one-off body kit. It's a one-of-one kit made specifically for the car. It's made for tread pass. It's a one-of-one kit from Varis, Japan. Going around, you'll notice we're running, this is the Konig MRK1 wheels. It's flow formed. I specifically did the aero disc cover in the front and eliminate that in the back just to show a little bit of depth on what you can do with the wheels.
What wheel specs are you running?
This is a 19 by 8.5 with a 32 offset. They made it specifically for the wagon. Thank you, Konig, for allowing me to do that. Yeah, I was going with the DTM style, like a touring car style for the build. That's why I wanted to go 19s. I wanted to tuck more, but it's very difficult to tuck more in with the beefy tires. Running Toyo Tires R888Rs. Tire size was running 235, 35, 19s.
Nice.
R888Rs. And as you can see behind the wheels, we're running APG big brake kits. Custom color, it's the bronze, I'm running the anodized bronze finish, custom logo color, and the forged logo color. And also you'll notice in the back, we're running full titanium extended wheel studs and lug nuts from JDC Titanium.
How are you liking the wheels?
The wheels, they're perfect. I love the color. I basically, the decals and all that, I made it flow with the silver because I know I want the wheels to pop more and I don't want anyone to look at anything else but just the wheels.
That's a great answer.
Because I was thinking of putting white stickers, but then it'll be, it'll catch your eye too much.
And so we didn't pay you to say that, right?
No.
You're just saying it.
No, the wheels are perfect. A lot of people like it. They, even in the industry, they're like, what wheels are those, I really like explaining how they're not mismatched wheels and they're optional aero covers, which is,
Wow, the car at this angle looks so good. That wagon.
Yeah, actually right now, the sun is coming down, so you see the depth of the Profection wrap. Right now, it's a darker red. Earlier, it was a kind of candy red. Also, while we're in the theme of titanium stuff, JDC Titanium is kind enough to actually made a one-of-one emblem for me. It says Wagon Rare Spec 1-of-1, which it truly is for this Evo wagon.
Interesting looking exhaust.
Yep, dolphin tip, titanium exhaust as well. Yes, it's custom. It's custom tip.
It's gorgeous. My favorite part of this rear end is that sticker.
Oh, yeah.
Wheel specs?
Well, yep, that's me. That's my branding.
That's you?
Yep. Yeah.
Is that you?
Yeah.
I didn't make that connection.
Yeah, look color. Look at the color.
Do the pose.
Look at the color.
That's perfect. I didn't pick up on the. Okay, spot on. Never mind.
Yeah, that's me. So I do merch on the side, which is this one as well.
Nice.
Instagram is RRR spec. RRR being 3 builds: rare, rugged, and race.
Nice.
This is the rare one. The rugged is my overland rig,
okay,
and the race is my S2000.
Nice.
R spec. We're running the Varis diffuser as well. I did ask them if we can do the full 12K carbon on the diffuser. They did say it's very difficult to do the mold, and they had one ready. So they just gave me the fins, which are flatter, and then it's easier to do, but it still ties up everything together,
The rear looks great.
I love the
really
rear on
nice,
this one.
Rowie.
And this
How
is
about
also
the wing is also carbon as well? No.
no. This is a really rare wing.
It looks
this
really
is a
good.
Ralliart wing. So I'm lucky enough when I was able to get my hands on this car. It came with that wing already, which is
Wow.
very difficult to source for Evo Wagon owners. So I'm gonna build so many keys.
Look at that. Not many Evos have a trunk like this.
It does have the OE cover for the back
Yeah.
to cover up your groceries, which is a rare find on Evos.
I can't believe how
there.
clean this is, by the way.
Yeah, we try to showcase the best for SEMA. When I got it, it has 70,000 kilometers,
Okay.
which is roughly what 50,000 miles, maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Not
really
bad.
fresh, pretty fresh.
really nice.
I didn't have to do much on the interior. We did also black out the sides, as you can see.
Yeah.
The headliner is blacked out.
Yeah.
That's supposed to be kind of creamish tan.
I like it.
And then
I
the
like it
pillars
black.
are also the same color, like grayish creamish.
Oh, and
So
okay.
all that is blacked out. All done by me and the fiance. So
Oh,
shouts
nice.
to
Man.
Demi.
You got a good fiance, that's
Yep.
for sure.
Yeah.
Wow, the interior looks
we
great.
painted that and disassembled everything.
Wow.
So here we are in the interior. As you can see, we're running an Illest steering wheel, which is their limited edition collaboration. This is number 68 of 200. So shouts to Illest, my guy Mark, for letting me rock this for SEMA. Works bell steering wheel, special shift knob, actually made from the Philippines.
Nice.
So this was hand delivered to me here at SEMA. I
Wow.
literally just installed it a few minutes ago. So this is from Buzz Hype in Shoroku. So shouts to them for allowing me to run this as well. And as you can see, we're running Brid Lomaxes. This is the 0CS, which is the driver side, and then the passenger side is the Zeta 4. I picked the gradation color just to add a little bit of a kind of flair to it
Yeah.
with the gradient.
It looks great.
And then custom harness with R-Spec harness. That is an idea of mine. I was thinking of where to put the gauges. They usually go on here with the row like that, and I really don't like to kind
like
of
a
drill
clean-
onto this right-hand drive
Yeah.
dash. So that is the only way that I know that I can tuck away and then open.
And you can close it up and
Yep.
it goes away. Nice.
Mhm.
Wow.
And then here we have a Ralliart shifter panel, which is also rare, and the Ralliart gauge as well. Ralliart cluster, I'm sorry. That concludes our tour. Thank you guys again for joining me here at SEMA 2024 and checking out the wagon. If you want to know more or have any questions, make sure to follow and check out my Instagram page at Rowie. That's ROWIROWE. Also, thank you to Konig so much for the opportunity for bringing the car here and then allowing me to showcase their amazing wheels. So thank you so much, guys, and then we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.